Myself, I am in Vaishnavi. I am studying 10th class. In this video, I am going to explain about cellular respiration. First, we want to know what is the meaning of cellular respiration. The cellular respiration refers to the pathway by which release energy by breaking the chemical bonds of glucose molecules. Hence, this process is called cellular respiration. This cellular respiration is the essential process of life, and living cells must carry out cellular respiration. It can be in the presence of oxygen, which is known as aerobic respiration, and in the absence of oxygen is known as anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is also known as fermentation. In animals, the anaerobic respiration leads to fermentation of lactic acid for glucose. Cellular respiration in prokaryotic cell like bacteria occurs within the cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cells, cytoplasm and mitochondria are the sets of the cellular respiration. The produced energy is stored in mitochondria in the form of ATP. So mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. The exact details of breakdown of the sugar within a living cell does not take place as a single reaction, but it occurs in a series of small steps. The complete breakdown of sugar molecule with the release of all its available energy involves a series of different chemical reactions. The energy released in cellular respiration is stored in a special compound called ATP. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. It is a small particle of chemical energy. This ATP is also known as energy currency of cell. It is a rich compound that is capable for supplying the energy whenever needed in a cell. One ATP molecule gives 7200 calories of energy. This energy is stored in a form of phosphate bonds. If a bond is broken, the stored energy is released. Do cells have alveoli or lungs also require oxygen to carry out cellular respiration? Why not? Yes, alveoli or lungs require oxygen to carry out the cellular respiration. This increases the surface of area of lungs for the exchange of gases. In short, a cellular level we could have the following pathway. Start with glucose. Glucose give pyruvate plus energy. These divided into two types. Absence of oxygen, it means anaerobic respiration, and fermentation. In absence of oxygen, it produces lactic acid plus energy. Example, lactobacillus bacteria. And ethanol plus CO2 plus energy. The example is yeast. And the second one is presence of oxygen. It means aerobic respiration. It produces CO2 plus H2O plus energy. The example is plants and animals. Do you know glucose is the most common used sugar for deriving energy in plants, animals, and in microorganisms? In all these organisms, glucose is oxidized to types. The first stage is known as glycolysis. It occurs in cytoplasm. During glycolysis, glucose is converted into two molecules of pyruvic acid. In the second stage, if oxygen is available, pyruvic acid is converted into CO2 and water. Large amount of energy is released. This is known as aerobic respiration. In most of the plants and animal cells, aerobic respiration will occur. If oxygen is not available, pyruvic acid is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This is anaerobic respiration taking place in waste sites, that is called fermentation. If oxygen is not available in muscles, the pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid. This is the information of cellular respiration. Thank you.